What's up, guys? Welcome to the sweet outdoors. Well, we ain't gonna be able to do much today. It is cloudy, it is thundering, and it's already rained one time. It's like an 80% chance of rain all damn day. Stuck here at the house. Wife is on her way up north Florida to pick up the grandkids. Have all three granddaughters this week. Ooh, God help me. God help me. I love them, but God help me. Anyway, today's video is a DIY of something really simple to save you a few bucks. Okay, so you're camping. You got your full kitchen set up, your utensils, your plates, and all that stuff. Okay, well, we're going to talk about flatware. I know it's just a simple subject. It don't mean much to people. But you can save a few bucks just doing a DIY. You don't have to go out and spend the money on the cool military style. This right here was like $13 for this set. The K-bar spork. It's like $8. There's all kind of options out there. There's this. I don't care for these, but they'll work. Comes apart. Spoon, fork. You got a knife and the all-important bottle opener. They're okay. Like I said, I don't care for them. I have these in one of my bags for like a backup thing. And then there's El Cheapo Walmart flatware set, a knife, a spoon, and a fork, under $2. They are plastic, so cooking with them's out of the question. They're brittle. These will break over time. I've went through quite a few of these sets. And there's other options out there, such as this. Okay, I'm going to show you how to basically make your own set similar to this for under 10 bucks. But wait, there's more. I'm going to show you how to make 4 sets for under $10. Stick around. We're back. This is so simple it's crazy. You will need a drill with a drill bit, the right size drill bit. You will need a couple of small carabiners. You can also use keychains. These right here, you will see why I prefer these over the keychains. And then you will need, of course, your flatware. And we got flatware. At Walmart, 4 spoons for like $1.29, 4 forks $1.29, and 4 knives for $1.29. That is it. 4 sets for under 10 bucks. So let me get somewhere where we can set these up. A couple of holes to drill, and we're done, man. Okay. There's a bee. Okay, we're ready. The easiest way to do this, I believe, we will find out, is to leave them together. Leave them taped together. I think that'll be the easiest way. You know what? I forgot something. Alright, we're back. I had to get a smaller bit for our pilot hole. This is stainless steel, it says, so I'm hoping this is going to work. Sorry for all the vibration, but you're on top of my trash can. We're going to see if this works. I might have to do all the work and then bring you back. I'll bring you back. All right. Got our holes drilled. Now, we put them all together. Cheap Easy DIY projects, people. Save yourself some money. I've seen these flatware kits go for up to $30 because they're titanium, stuff like that. I really don't need titanium flatware. They're still a little warm. Bam! Got everything you need right there to eat. And like I said, under 10 bucks for the complete set. You can't beat that, guys. Like I say, you can go and spend the money on the other sets if you like. The bigger, the more expensive, the fancy dancy titanium, the name brand. Anywhere between $2 up to, 30 bucks. Or you can get 4 for under 10. So that's literally under $2 a set. It's a hell of a bargain. What am I doing? I'm missing. I put 2 spoons on here. I knew something wasn't right. Stay with me. Don't leave me yet. There we go. I think this is wrong. I think I grabbed the wrong carabiner. But it'll work for you guys. Under $10, guys. You can't beat it. You can't beat it. So I hope you enjoyed this little DIY. Do me a favor. Go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe, that notification, give me that thumbs up. Check us out on Facebook, The Sweet Outdoors. Like I said, got a busy weekend, busy week. Don't know what I'm going to be able to bring you, but at least I got you this, guys, because I'm thinking about you. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other DIY videos. Got quite a few of them out there, nice little hacks, tricks, tips to save you some bucks. Like I said, this is a low budget channel. I'm going to show you how to enjoy the outdoors, whether it's fishing, camping, hunting, cooking, anything like that. I'm going to show you whatever I show you, you can bet is going to be the budget way. Because like I said before, I don't get paid for this. This comes out of my pocket, and I could spare $10 for you guys. Be safe. God bless. Get outside, people.